So today I'm gonna be making a smoothie bowl in the Vitamix A3500, and I just wanted to show you a little bit more about how it works. A smoothie bowl is different from a smoothie, and I like to use my smaller jar because one of the things about the A3500, as well as most of Vitamix blenders, is they now come standard in the 64-ounce jar. And if you've seen one of my Vitamix jar comparison reviews that I did with my friend Lenny from Life is No Yoke, when you're making a smoothie bowl or really anything, you need at least 2 cups of product for the blade to work properly, because this is a 4-inch blade, a 4-inch base, sorry. And this is a 3-inch base. And any smaller jar, if you have a classic model, I even like to use a 32-ounce jar when I'm making small portions, including smoothie bowls. So, hi Patricia, thanks for coming and joining and making a smoothie bowl. So, I am not gonna use the 64-ounce jar that this comes with. I'm gonna use my 48-ounce jar to make a smoothie bowl just because it's smaller and I can blend like a single serve or even a 2-serving smoothie bowl in this one so much better than I can in this one. And also because this jar is really dirty and I can't wait to do a cleaning your Vitamix jar review, and so I want to save this for cleaning it because I'm going to do a deep cleaning on a really dirty Vitamix jar and show you how and the best ways to do that in another video. So in this one I'm just making my smoothie bowl. I'm just going to put this over here. And so the difference between a smoothie and smoothie bowl is really not much other than like frozen versus, more liquid. So if you're blending a smoothie bowl specifically, you want it to be thick, or you're even doing like a sorbet, nice cream, banana ice cream, fruit ice cream, you just want a little bit of liquid. As little as possible, because it's better to add liquid than to do too much at once, and then it's more of like just a really thick smoothie versus a smoothie bowl. And then you want to use lots of frozen ingredients. So I'm going to be making this a protein-packed smoothie bowl, and I'm going to start with these blueberries and get them in there. Actually, I'm going to start with a little bit softer first. So I'm going to do this banana that's not frozen. I also have frozen bananas because you really want to have mostly frozen ingredients when you're doing a smoothie bowl. Okay, so now we can add the blueberries. Whoa! That's probably not the size of frozen stuff that you want to stick in any blender, any power blender. It will eventually work, but you'll be blending a long time, so that's not really what we want to do here. I will break this up for something else later. I'm going to be doing some frozen bananas. And then I'm just going to be adding some of my like superfood. So again, this is you just want to break it up a little bit. And I am going for about 2 servings right now, not just one, because I'm going to be sharing this with a friend. And I hope you're having a wonderful Thanksgiving so far. Everybody seems to be in preparation to have a great time, especially after last year where some of us didn't get to see our families. So I hope that this Thanksgiving is really wonderful and special for everyone. So right now I'm just adding some Sun Warrior. This is collagen building peptides. So this is not actual collagen, but this is a plant-based version of the types of ingredients that are going to help your own body to create its own collagen. So I think that's really cool. I'd like to go plant-based when I can. I love Sun Warrior. If you want to get Sun Warrior for 20% off, just use code BlenderBabes and the blenderbabes.com/sunwarrior. Okay, so now I'm also going to be adding some Green Dream. This is a plant-based protein plus superfoods blend, so it has really amazing, clean ingredients, non-GMO, and I love, this is probably one of my favorite protein powders because it's got spirulina in it, which is going to help your body to detox. And I'm always trying to consistently remove toxins from the body, because we're always being inundated with toxins every day, in the air, the water, everything. So we consistently need to cleanse, and that's why I do my blender cleanse a couple times a year. So my live one, but you can get it anytime. Just go to blenderbabes.com. Oh, the last thing I was going to add is this acai packet. I get this one at Trader Joe's. It's just straight acai. There's nothing else in it. And of course, don't have my scissors next to me, so excuse me, hopefully I don't hurt myself. So I wanted to talk a little bit too more about this A3500 model and all of the Vitamix sales that are happening right now. So the holiday sales are the best of the year. They're consistently the best of the year. They do have some flash sales a couple times a year that are close to what you get during the holiday sales. So if there ever is a big sale, like that's the time to get it. And so now is the time. And this particular model, which is my favorite, it's the top of the line Vitamix. And if that's not the reason it's my favorite, the reason it's my favorite is because I'm a gadget kind of person. Like I love like using touch screen and I love having automatic settings. This particular model has a digital timer where you can see it, where a lot of like the older Vitamix, you have no idea how long it's been blending. They don't stop automatically unless you get some of the older models that have the presets, which are as expensive as getting a smart system Vitamix. So if you're a new Vitamix owner, you've never had a Vitamix, I definitely recommend getting smart system. And the reason for that, sorry, my hands are covered in acai. The reason for that is because you can do all these different jars. So I also have the 20-ounce blend and go cup. You can see that it comes with this little base here. So you get this and you can blend and go servings. I do salad dressings in here. They also have little blending bowls, which they don't have on the the classic Vitamixes. There's also a brand new food processor attachment, which I haven't used all the time. I cut up like onions and garlic and I use it a lot because I've never had an actual separate food processor. And so I love it. And you can only do that on the Smart System blender. So all of the Ascent models are on sale right now. All of them are great, whichever one you want to get. If whatever's your budget, just get one of them. But just know that you can't blend small portions in the standard jar that it comes with, which is the 64-ounce one. So you will need a smaller jar to blend small portions. That said, they have a sale on the Explorian E310 right now. That's normally $349, so that's the normal price, and that's my best on a budget. It's great for singles, great for couples. Comes with a 48-ounce jar, not the bigger jars, so you don't have to buy an additional jar. And that one's on sale for $60 off, so it's $289. So that's a no-brainer. Like if you want to get a Vitamix, get the E310 if that's your budget and you have a small kitchen, or it's just you, or it's just you're just a couple, you're not blending for a big family. Okay, that's my 2 cents. So for the A3500, it's all touch screen here, and then it has a knob. Sorry, I came off the screen. A knob, not a dial. So it just really, it's like in your, like the car stereo in your car. It's just like a really easy roll. So I'm gonna turn it on. Oops, the power button's here on the side. And I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm just gonna use the manual speeds for this, okay? So I'm just gonna use the knob. I'm getting it up to 10. And you need the tamper for smoothie bowls. You'll need the tamper no matter what. You do a smoothie bowl or anything really thick. The results are, and that was, I couldn't see the timer, I should have looked, but what I like is it tells you, it's like, oh, that took 25-30 seconds. The other thing you can do with the A3500 that you can't do with most of the other blenders is add time. So you might say like, oh, you're making a juice that needs a little bit more time than a smoothie to blend properly, and when you press the smoothie button or whatnot, it's X amount of time. You can add time over here. So it's pretty awesome. Okay, so this is my thick smoothie bowl, right? We want it nice and thick so it doesn't melt and you're eating smoothie soup. Grab a spoon, and I can feel everything's blended. I'm not like feeling or seeing any chunks here. Okay, so here's my beautiful little smoothie bowl, and I'm just going to spread it out here. And now it's toppings or whatever you love. Like I like to do a little layer of chia seeds. I forgot to put them in there, but I usually do it in there as well because these are a great way to, I mean, it's such an easy boost that's flavorless. They have them at Trader Joe's, they have them everywhere now. It used to be just at Whole Food stores. And it's like fiber, protein, omegas, like it's just so good for you. It's such a little tasteless seed. And I love that. Like a lot of people use flax seeds and I do too. Flax seeds are so great for digestion as well, the fiber, but they can have a little bit of a nutty flavor, which I don't always love in my smoothies. So I'm just adding some trail mix here. You know, this is a meal replacement breakfast for me, so I am trying to add like healthy fats and protein and all the things so that I'm full until lunch. So normally I also would put some fresh fruit, like maybe some berries, but I'm all done. Hi, thanks for watching. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Lynn. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed that. If you have any questions about the Vitamixes and all the holiday sales, I put the link in the description so you can check out all the different sales that they have right now. And my top recommendations to get. There will be some upcoming sales for specifically Black Friday through Cyber Monday. There's just a few things that are gonna be on sale. So if you know that you want a Vitamix and you see it, whatever's listed in the deals page, those are all the deals. Okay, those are all the deals, and they're the deals throughout the holidays until December 31st, but they do sell out, they will sell out. Colors are gonna sell out, models are gonna sell out, so if you know what you want, get it now. Feel free to book a quick blender sales call with me. I have the link on that page as well. If you don't know which one to get and just need a little bit of information that I can help you with, and I'll help you figure out which one's good for you. Okay, I hope you have a beautiful week. Happy Thanksgiving. Maybe I'll see you guys soon, but I'm super swamped this week, so ciao.